Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. See, previous class, actually we are discussing about a related to alternate voltage or alternate EMF applied for the different circuits. Like a resistive circuit is over, like capacitive circuit is over, then inductive circuit is over. Then after that the combinations, in that first combination LR circuit is over. Let I want to move to next one, that is about a CR circuit. That means your capacitive or capacitor and resistor are connected in the series. Then what will happen, the EMF, when EMF is applied for the CR circuit, then what will happen, the current, and what will happen, the power factor, like a graph that we need to find related to the CR circuit. So that you draw a C and R, that is capacitive circuit, and it is a resistive circuit which are connected in the series, along with a alternator, that is we can say alternate EMF. E is equal to, you write as E naught sin omega t. Of course, there will be alternate current flows through the capacitor, through the resistor, and there will be a potential difference is Vc. Here it is the potential difference is Vr. Of course, in case of a capacitive circuit, there will be a phase log. Yes, of course, there will be a phase log is, it is pi by 2, that is we can say 90 degree is the phase log between the EMF and the current. That is, current is lead by the EMF by an angle of pi by 2, that is 90 degree phase angle it is. Now I want to say about a capacitive circuit. First of all, see here you write Vc is equal to I into, we can write as XC. Clear? It is what it is related to capacitive circuit, and here there will be a phase angle is pi by 2 for the capacitive circuit, and here as well as we need to mention here the current lead, that is current leads on EMF by an angle of 90, or we can say pi by 2. This is the one relation related to about a capacitive circuit. And as well as we need to move next one, R. R is nothing but a resistive circuit. Of course, there will be a phase angle is 0, and here VR is nothing but a I into R, right? So that it is about a capacitive circuit. Now by using this, now we need to draw a graph, that is by taking the x-axis, represent the x and y-axis. Along the x-axis, see, you take a graph like this. If I go graph, therefore there will be a EMF and like we can take. So it represented a current axis, that is VR we can say, and it is Vc, or we can say it is through the XC we can, and here also we can say resistance is R. So by using this, there will be a resultant is represented which making an angle phase angle. So that here you say the current and like this, you draw a one line, it is the EMF is resultant is represented. So here you say OAB is the given the for a current and resistor and capacitive circuit. So from the triangle, that is OAB. Here of course you write as OB square is equal to Pythagoras rule. Here you apply AB square plus OA square. So OB is equal to root over, it is AB whole square plus OA whole square. Clear? Now therefore OB is represented as E, root AB is represented as, you say, it is Vc square, and here OA is represented as VR whole square, right? And here coming to the next one, in this situation you say here it is Vc is nothing but a I into XC, VR is nothing but a I into R. So substitute here, therefore it is I into XC whole square plus I into R whole square. So E is equal to root over I is common, and XC whole square plus R square it is. E is equal to I into root over XC and R square. Therefore, current is equal to EMF by root over XC square plus R square it is. This is what it is about a related to current through the series combination of capacitive and resistive circuit. Capacitive and resistive circuit. In this, sir, what is XC plus R square? Yes, of course, let ZCR, that is impedance, is equal to root over XC square plus R square. But we know XC is nothing but a 1 by omega C, or it is 2 pi n into C. So, let write here ZCR is equal to root over 1 by omega C plus R square we can. So that here it is a ZCR, then I is equal to E by root over ZCR also we can. Or else you want to say the current through the CR circuit is that is I is equal to root over, I mean to say this is will be I think E by root over 1 by omega C plus R square. It is the current through the given a resistive circuit. Clear? Current through the resistive circuit which is given as to be like this, right? And here after this, now we need to find here in the same CR circuit, okay, here we need to find a phase angle, then after power we need to find, okay. So come to the point is, in case of a phase angle, there will be a phase angle is pi is given, then use this pi, get a phase difference. Phase difference, that is we can say phase angle, right. Tell me, from the same triangle tan pi is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is we can say VC by it is VR. So, tan pi is equal to VC is nothing but a I into XC by I into R. So, tan pi is equal to, here we can write as XC by capital R. So, XC we know 1 by omega C, then tan pi is equal to 1 by omega C R, then pi is equal to tan inverse of 1 by omega C R. So, this is about a what it is related to this one, and as well as you say power factor. See, power related, that is we can say power factor, that is equal to cos pi. Yeah, you tell me from this, cos pi is nothing but a, or you write as like this, here it is adjacent by hypotenuse E. So, VR we know, that is we can say like this, I into R by E we know, I into root over XC square plus R square. So, but you cancel this, power factor is equal to R by root over XC square plus, this is about a power factor, clear. And come to the point is, after power factor again we need to find a average power. Here go with the average power, that is equal to ERMS IRMS cos pi. Of course, we have cos pi now, then you say average power is equal to ERMS IRMS cos pi is capital R by root over XC square plus. So, these are the factors which are there in the given a CR circuit, clear. Now, let us Right. So next one, on this basis I'll give you one small problem, so which is given. See, a series circuit is contains a resistor of 20 ohm. The question which was given, see I am giving the general question it is, then after we will see in the problems from our material also. A series circuit contains a resistor of 20 ohm. See, this is the example problem, right? A series resistance capital R is equal to, given as 20 ohm, a capacitor and a ammeter of negligible resistance. It is connected by a source of, that is given as ERMS, or we can say VRMS. This is given as 200 V, and it contains a frequency is 50 Hz. If the reading of ammeter is given, that is we can say ammeter reading is given, the current is IRMS, ammeter reading 2.5 ampere is given. Calculate the reactance of the capacitor. XC is asking. Fine, it is. Right. Yeah. So it's given this. So first of all we need to find XC, right? So XC is nothing but before that we should know XC is equal to root over, sorry to say, is asking XC, no. For this you take ZCR is equal to root over XC square plus R square. Then ZC whole square is equal to XC square plus R square. So we need to get XC square is equal to ZCR whole square minus R square. Fine. In this R already is there, but we don't know ZCR. So this is we need to find. So ZCR is nothing but we can take as ERMS by IRMS. So CR is equal to ERMS. It is 200 by IRMS 2.5. So better you write 2000 divided by 25. Shall I? So that we may get the approximately it is 80 ohms it is. Now we know ZCR, we know capital R. So it's asking XC. So that here you write XC is equal to C square is equal to 80 whole square minus 20 whole square. So XC square is equal to 80 whole square. 8 8 is 64. 6000 like it is 400 minus 20 square is 400. So XC square is equal to 6000 will get. So XC is equal to root over 6000. Then if you simplify this, approximately we may get 77.46 ohms. This is the one problem related on the basis of capacitive circuit. Better you go through this question. Okay. Yeah. See, I want to say from material also. Right. Page number 286. Page number 286. Question number 6. Please read everyone carefully. Given what and what we need to find. Yes. So I'll tell you this. A resistor of 2200 ohm and a capacitor of 15 microfarad are connected in a series of 220 V. See, there is a resistor is given because it is CR circuit. So the page number 286, question number is 6. A resistor is given, capital R is equal to 200 ohms, capacitor of 15 microfarad, 15 into 10 power minus 6 farad, connected to the series. The EMF, ERMS, or we can say VRMS is given 220 V, and the frequency is given as 50 Hz. So this is given. Then calculate the current in the circuit is asking. Calculate the voltage across the resistor and the capacitor. See, different is asking. Both we need to find. One is asking. First one current is asking. Second, across the potential difference across the resistor. Potential difference across the capacitor is asking. And in the algebraic sum of these voltage more than the source voltage, if S, the resolve a paradox. Okay, we'll see. Before that, here we need to get a first of all I, because then the question is asking first one only current. So for a CR circuit, I is equal to question mark, but we know I is equal to ERMS by ZCR, or else you can also write directly ZCR. We can take like this: ZCR is equal to root over R square plus XC square. But here we don't know XC, no? Then better you get XC is equal to 1 by omega C, 1 by 2 pi n into C. So XC is equal to 2 pi into n is given as 50 into C is given as 15 into 10 power minus 6 farad. So XC is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 50, 1 0 is cancelled, so that 100 you can also cancel 100. Directly we can take, like, after simplify I am giving, this is will be 100, no? Right, this will be 100. So 100 pi into 15 into 10 power minus 6. From this you cancel 2 zeros, then XC is equal to 1 by 15 pi into 10 power minus 4 it is. Now XC we may get approximately, this is okay. So that what happens here it is, so we can say better you simplify this XC. So this is will be like, we can take 15 into 3.14. Yeah, better you divide this, then after that we'll see, because here we need XC, no? So what is happening, we'll look at. That is 0 divided by, I mean 15 into, first you take 15 into 3.14, right? It may be like by 47.1. So that 100 divided by 47.1. See, approximately we may get 212 XC it is. Clear now? Okay. Then after, ZCR is equal to root over R will be 200 whole square, and here 212 whole square it is. So ZCR is equal to, it is 400 like 212 square, no? Again you take 212 into 212, see 44,944. So that it is, you add with 40, that is 40000. So it is approximately ZCR is equal to root over 84999. So you take a root also. So we may get the final expression will be root 84944. So ZCR is equal to 291.4 it is. Now we know ZCR. So after knowing ZCR, right, 291.4. So current we need to get now. then I is equal to E is given as 220 by 291.4. Yeah, you take better this calculation. Here it is 220 divided by 291.4. So current in the circuit is 0.75 ampere. This is over. So now we know current through the circuit is in series combination, of course. This is will be over. Now here we need to find another one is VR. Second one, potential difference across the resistor, right? So it is equal to I into R. VR is equal to I is 0.75. Resistance is given as 200. So VR is equal to 75 by 2. It is maybe 150 volt across the resistor. See, VC is equal to I into XC. I is 0.75 into 2191 point, I mean to say 212, no? Yes, you're right, 212. So better, this is again we need to take the calculation part. Look at here, 0.75 into 212. So it is maybe VC is equal to 156.88. Clear, no? So this is what it is, the final. Now he is asking what? The next one also asking, yes, if the sum of the algebraic sum, yes, you can take both roots, both the VR and fourth one it is we can say VRC is equal to root over, you say VR square plus and VC square you take, then VRC is equal to root over VR we know that is about a 150 whole square plus VC also we know 156.88 whole square. So if I take this simplification, average value we may get the directly 220 it is. Yes, it is, yes, we can say. Of course, what we are applying, 220 only we are applying. In the sum it is given, applied is how much is given? It is only 220, right? So we are also getting what? 220. So this is the question related to CR circuit. So that you go through this question. So we'll see in the next combinations are there. So this is one question related to CR circuit. So like that we have other circuit, LC circuit is there. In that LC again we'll do same, like we need to find current and all. So this is about today's class, and we'll see in the next class. Thank you very much.